Hi guys and welcome. I wanted to do a short video just to show you all of the shoes that I've made so far. Everything's in one place, and then if you see something that you like, you can go to that episode and make it yourself. This is the first shoe. This is my bridal shoe with lace. And I started off with just a little piece of lace and a white shoe, and I beaded it and added the Swarovski crystals myself, and I really love how it turned out. This is my hand painted purple peacock shoe. I started off with the black shoe. I painted it purple. I hand painted the peacock leaf, and then I embellished it with Swarovski crystals. I may do an update because I'd really like to see what the shoe looks like if the entire feather was Swarovski crystals. So stay tuned for that. This is my Wonder Woman inspired comic book shoe. I painted the bottom red and the heel gold, and then I took comic book cutouts and Mod Podged the whole shoe, and I love how it turned out. This is the second of my Wonder Woman inspired shoes. I painted the heel and the bottom and the straps in gold, and then the body of the shoe in red, and this was to emulate the Wonder Woman boots worn in the movie. And this is a more muted look if you happen to be getting dressed for a costume party, or if you're going to the office and you want to be festive but more muted. This is a perfect look. This is my red painted black lace beaded shoe. Of all the looks that I've created, this one had the most steps. I hand painted the shoe in red, I attached the lace, and then I hand beaded it and added just maybe like one or two Swarovski crystals to give it a little bit of sparkle. I love how this shoe turned out. I think it's really, really pretty. It just takes a lot of steps. The last shoe that I'm going to show you is my aquamarine shoe with Swarovski crystals. I started off with the black shoe, I painted it aquamarine, and then I added the beading and the Swarovski crystals. I think this may have been the first shoe that I made, and I love how it turned out. I think it's so pretty, and you can make this in any color. It doesn't have to be this one. I just thought that this was a really cute color to start off with. Tutorials on how to make each of these shoes are available on my channel. I do the tutorials because I like to show how you can make a really stunning look for a lot less. And you can kind of recycle your old shoes if you don't like the way it looks, but it still fits well. This is a perfect way to rehab your closet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.